Right, so just a very quick video on the importance of tidying up when you're doing DIY. So I just want to show you what the kitchen looks like at the moment. So, you know, it's clear that there's a lot of work still left to be done. But when you walk in the room, it looks an absolute mess, doesn't it? There's obviously old plaster, bits of mortar all over the floor. And you know, when you actually walk into a room like this and see this sort of a mess, you know, it's enough to get you down, isn't it? Not that I am at the moment. And the point of doing this video is the fact that, you know, it's clear that walking into this sort of a mess, if you had to do it on a daily basis, would be very sort of demoralising, really, and would probably dampen most people's spirits. So what I'm going to do, just show you what we have at the moment, and then I'm going to sort of, you know, clear up and tidy up before we leave, and just show you what the, you know, what a difference it makes to tidy up, clear the place up a little bit, and you know, the actual change can be quite dramatic, and it also can affect quite dramatically your temperament and your mood when you come back to do a little bit more. Right folks, there we go. Look, I've had a good old clear up, a tidy up. I've also mopped the floor, and I'm sure everybody would agree that this is a far more inviting prospect than what it was. Not quite so miserable, is it? And depressing. So when I come to the property tomorrow to do some plastering, I'm going to start skimming this kitchen, then it won't be quite as oppressive and demoralising. And obviously, of course, as a matter of basic common sense, if you are in a tidy, clean environment, there's less opportunity for accidents, slips, trips, that sort of thing. Anyway, just a quick video just to share that with you. I'm a great believer in tidying up. Sometimes, don't get me wrong, if I've had a busy day or I'm sort of coming here in the evening after work, I'm really knackered, you know, I just can't be bothered. But when I do have the time, I do like to clear up and, you know, to sort of, you know, have a good old tidy up and to make it a safer place to work. And as I say, not quite so depressing next time I come. So tomorrow then, I'm going to detach that light and going to skim the ceiling over and do a couple of walls. So looking forward to that. Thank you for watching.